блок кунанда барои бахшиш.
Because I will tell fight fans if you're in Vegas, come out to a tough enough show because you never know who you'll see.
Here we go, and it's time for our main event. Here's Justin Bernard.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's fights are sanctioned by the Nevada State Athletic Commission Chairman Stephen J. Klubek and in attendance Executive Director Jeff Mullen. Our judges cage-side are Adelaide Bird, Chris Flores, and Tony Weeks. And now, to the thousands in attendance and those watching live on UFC Fight Pass, this is the main event of the evening, scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds and a tough enough featherweight showdown. Fight fans, it's 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 140
بزن شما
pounds, fighting out of Miami, Florida, City.
نکاوت کاتیونشون. این گوشتون گیر است ولی افکام در میترسم.
His opponent stands across the cage in the red corner, a mixed martial artist with a professional record, 6 wins, 2 losses. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 145.1 pounds, fighting out of Tajikistan,
Right.
Muhammad Naimov. And when the action begins, your referee in charge, Jacob Montalvo.
Have a good, clean fight. Protect stuff at all times and follow my commands at all times. Let's touch gloves now. Good luck, gentlemen.
وست نتونست کردن محمد روزش.
Muhammad is wearing the black, red, and white trunks. Naimov is wearing the primarily white trunks. 5 minutes on the clock in our main event, and we are underway in round number 1.
So some big show experience from both of these athletes, some quality wins in their careers, and no lack of intensity from either of them to start. Dagestan versus Tajikistan.
Right.
Tajikistan.
این پرخود مدرو پران.
Ugo's landed a couple of those jabs earlier, showing a lot of movement with his hands, giving Naimov something to think about. Quick with that jab.
Yeah, lots of feints too. Curious of takedown attempt is coming here.
And that maybe what Naimov's waiting on, maybe Naimov thought he's going to come out, he's going to shoot on me immediately. He wasn't ready for that.
Gets.
Naimov's starting to let his hands go a little bit.
Yeah, got to make some adjustments. Woodward with a nice right hand behind the jab. Now he shoots in.
Yep.
That's a quick shot. It really was smart work, just using the punching to give Naimov something to think about, and then shot in.
And using that leg to scoop.
Nice
Nice defense here from Naimov, though.
So an excellent job in defense. Briefly stepped over that left leg and had it trapped. And just going to lift him and drag him again. Nice second effort there.
Muhammad just relentless getting this fight down to the ground.
And you can see Naimov, isn't just giving him the position. He continues to work to a seated position. He's pushing down on the head. He's doing whatever he can to kind of stay in this seated position, but Muhammad again has latched onto a leg. It's at the right leg now. That he stepped over and trapped and made it tough for Naimov to get back up. So Naimov pushing down on the hips, trying to get that leg back as he works to his feet.
2:45 remaining here in round number 1, so coming up on the halfway point. Still plenty of time to work.
Still has those hands lashed. He's able to pull the legs out once again. And once again steps over and secures that left leg, which makes it just impossible for Naimov to get back to his feet.
Always somewhat awkward when they are less than 1 foot away from our faces.
Bro.
I think you're both doing a great job.
Bro.
Oh, I thought you were talking about us.
You're doing a terrible job.
There, Naimov is finally back to his feet, but Muhammad still has the body lock, trying to lift him in the air. Naimov briefly grabbed the fence leg over. You can see he's just trying to peel away the fingers to break that grip. Naimov doing everything he can.
I mean, those knees to the back of the thigh.
Not great.
No, they are not, and they are allowed.
Just can't get that grip broken out there. Finally does. And
Oh, молодец. Давай шину.
Working for that. And he gets a chance to reset.
Oh, красавчик.
Big punches straight to there.
Oh, shoot.
Muhammad's hands look good, don't they?
They really do.
Really
Sharp.
sharp.
Just as you said it.
He's got him hurt.
Got those hands
He's
clasped
something.
now.
Yeah, it goes for the takedown there. I don't know if I would have done that personally, considering he had him so rocked, but obviously he knows what he's doing.
I mean, he's looking to pass right now. I mean,
He's
flattened out.
And now he's got both legs trapped. And I agree with you. I mean, the takedown is here. He's on top. It's a good position for him, but I think he had him hurt.
Got to have him on the ropes.
Yep.
Down to the final 45 seconds here of round number 1.
Naimov seems to have recovered fairly well. Works back up to a seated position here as Muhammad is working from side control. Trying to posture up and punch here in the closing minute.
Down to 30 seconds.
There he goes. Just backs away. Fires some shots. Little knee inside there.
Yeah.
Right hand caught him again.
It just seems like it's such a natural tendency for him to go for that takedown, even when he's lighting his opponent up.
당황이 뭔가
We reset in the center.
Coming up on 10 seconds, there is the sound.
Oh, молодец.
Couple of knees
Tamam,
inside
benim var
there.
inşallah.
Number 1, ending with a flurry.
that's a fun first
Aynen,
round.
ben
Молодец. После реклама миша бачо чилик мамемунун буна газеяки. Кивай реклама я мебинам.
Naimov was hurt, but man, he turned it on.
Ини хорошие люди махкамат.
I mean, just his conditioning. I mean, he's in phenomenal shape. You know, not gonna, clear those cobwebs out after about 20 seconds, but.
Whew. Took some shots there, but you're right, bounced right back. Figured it out.
Mistake.
Landed some nice shots in the zone there at the end as well.
Yep.
Ay Mavsar iyi away from them direto.
I'm curious if that's going to make
Kes lego.
Mavsar gayet iyi.
less
Bakıyor ama
likely
Mavsar
to want to stand there and exchange if he's going to continue to press forward with those takedowns because he is so good on the ground.
iyi
But at
away
the same
Mavsar.
time, I mean, Muhammad was finding so much success with his hands before he got stunned there a little bit at the end.
Yeah, it's a little bit of risk reward. I'd certainly recommend he feel it out and see if it's still there because, as you said, the hands were looking sharp. He certainly wobbled
Neyse
there.
tabii güzel
But,
şimdi başlamış
look
ama.
at this. I mean, both fighters out to the center. They're ready to fight. But
Давай,
Naimov,
Мухаммад.
with that late rally, I'm sure
Верим
there's
в
some
тебя,
respect
брат.
for Muhammad for sure. Realizes he can't just go out there with reckless abandon as we get a little bit of excess moisture cleaned up
Ay
here.
Max Vidal adlı yakalayınca para. Kildik kılamışsın gidiyor.
And it never hurts to buff up the cage floor, you know? Keep it looking sharp.
You got to make it look good for a fight pass.
That's right. I know you guys expect the best.
İlkiye bu David Goldenberg.
All right, cage door is closed. Round number 2 underway.
Çok hadi ta.
Muhammad is showing that movement with the hands again. See if he can work that slick jab.
Hop молодец.
Firing away on his own, though.
Oh, jab's landing there.
Sakın
Yeah,
bir kap
Naimov has
kaç dakika.
another jab. That jab is on point tonight. It's quick.
Çıkıftanamıştı.
I mean, because Naimov's keeping his guard pretty tight there, and still it's slipping right through.
Çok hadi tu böyle. Ves kanalda toysi katage da gurtya.
So he's got a little jab. It's on point. That was so fast. The jab stepped over to create the angle and through the right from Muhammad. Quick hands tonight. But Naimov answering in the pocket. Oh, nasty low kick again. I don't want to take too many of those.
I mean, he's real effective with those low
Biraz
kicks.
karozlu.
Lots of action here in the first minute of round number 2.
Nazar,
Still
ne,
4
bu
minutes
buna.
remaining.
counter-ак дига азобтияча сеюм раунд ба шапалоқ.
Muhammed landed the right hand again there. Goes back to that jab.
Ух, красавчик.
Naimov, they're just trading shots right now.
And you heard the corner of Naimov saying you got to really get behind the jab. Right now, that right hand is working for him, but he's just not setting it up quite enough. Budev's jab just keeps sneaking through. And that hook, wow. It's power.
I mean, they're
Опа!
trading big shots inside. I love it. Neither man backing down, just standing in a phone booth and firing punches down
Я
the line.
хотів геджі я задаю на кузана.
Cut inside for Naimov. Kind of work from the collar tie here. Another right hand.
Оп!
Молодец.
He just missed for Naimov. He's having some success.
Yeah, this isn't a one-sided fight.
О, дуюм раунд айхуд монай.
What?
Big punches trading. A little bit of a slip there, but there was some shots that landed.
Not this one.
Yeah, but it's not there.
Ne, tamam uğraşma.
Right foot planted on the cage there to stay upright. Look at him reaching behind him, try to break that grip. Excellent
Стойка
awareness.
мизаниша сеюм раунда.
It's a nice defense.
Tamam var bir şey bilmem şimdi.
Back to
Ё,
the center.
кафо бачои мо гап зад досеми, молодец анда.
Kalapaşmak mondaşı.
Ай, ёта, шухалтадани.
And as he said, the
2
Naimov
минути
guard is
дига,
so
тамам
tight.
секунда.
Muhammed finding a way through with that jab. Very impressive.
Ne o mahkam ekran arası.
Right hand lands there as well. But Naimov
2 минути
throws
одино
a jab
махлач.
of his own.
I don't think there's been a moment in this fight where they've been more than 2 feet away from each other.
Hey!
Neither one is willing to back down or give.
Еве мондаш.
Love it.
Tamam oyun mondaşı.
Ет.
Interesting position.
Oh, elbows in there for Naimov. Uda's got to be aware of those. You can't stay in this position to take those. Those are just vain.
Гасша, бля. Това беше долу.
Great timing there.
And Mudev up against the cage here, but just such a nice trip.
And it lost it, now he's going for it again. I mean, just immediately steps over to secure that leg. That's such a devastating weapon because it makes it just literally impossible to get back up until you get that leg free.
Naimov right there in his corner,
Yes,
looking
it's
for
good,
some suggestions on how to get out of this. And literally,
Do you have any suggestions? What am I supposed to do
I
here?
don't know if I've ever seen a hand gesture like that to your corner. It's like, this sucks.
Молодец, аз
Down to our final 50
кардио
seconds
зураз
in this
Мухаммада
round.
дуклаеш.
Naimov back to his feet. Mudev looking for a trip again.
And again, laces the leg there briefly. Just sneaky little tactics with the legs. And nearly had the takedown once again. Caught an elbow there for Naimov.
Шумаки зада мумкине я?
Naimov not accepting any position. You know, he's constantly working.
О, молодец. Гардана кап гардана, кан гардана.
Rafting.
Throwing some knees
Yep, controlling the neck there as well.
О, красавелла.
to the body.
Trying to threaten there, but
Hemen mondaşı.
Final 10.
Киро назадос? 20 секунда.
Mudev looking for another takedown attempt here in the final seconds of round number 2.
Ам, казаншын.
Not gonna get it.
Молодец.
Sapenik mondaşı.
another
Kaşa
intense
olsun.
round between these guys. As you said,
Мемонин дастаяк секунда.
never more than 2 feet away from each other, standing in the pocket, trading, great grappling exchanges. Fun round once again.
Just world-class athletes, world-class fighters. Who brought it? Who are looking to fight tonight in the main event?
Молодец, Мухаммад.
And I love the mental warfare because you can tell that neither one wants to give the other one an inch. There's no way that you're winning this mentally, is what it seems like they're saying to each other with the body language, with the aggression that we're seeing. I mean, just really toe-to-toe fighting in the main event, exactly what you hope for when you come to an event like this.
Do we think Naimov has to get a finish to win this fight?
I believe so.
Yes.
I believe so. I think he's up 2 rounds to none.
Oh.
Let's take a look at some of that action there. I mean, the thing is competitive. Naimov is having moments. It's not as if he's getting blown away in these rounds, but I do believe Muhammed is up 2 rounds to none.
I agree with you, John.
هر دشو دستویم جمع کرسونیم عادیت خیلی گوشتین گیر از اون هیچ کنم
Third final round, main event, UFC Fight Pass, hosting Tough Enough 129 tonight.
Naimov's corner politely suggesting for the uppercut.
We did hear a please from one of the corners earlier tonight, not exactly the tone that Naimov's corner is taking here in the main event. But you know what?
نغمه حبیبا میکنه دوز میگه آپونات شایی با وقت میکشید
There's those low kicks. Those are dangerous as well. I mean, those could change the course of the fight as well. He landed a couple of those pretty solid.
I think every low kick he's thrown has landed.
Oh,
Nice
right
overhand right.
Muhammad says, I got a chin. Comes right back in and fired right hand to his own. Entertaining stuff.
یک تخشون بزنم دوز بیندم
Again, politely imploring for him to throw the uppercut.
Looking for an opportunity.
Oh, stiff jab there. Flurry exchange. Maybe a little clash of heads in tight there.
Oh, nice elbow. That's doing a nice job. Loading up those punches. A lot of power behind him.
دست
Punches
بردار
and punches have been impressive.
Oh, big right hand for Naimov there.
دست
Muhammad just
بردار
walks right
نایم
through it.
And follow that up with a nice jab too.
گیجی گفتادن
Naimov's corner calling for a Gaethje.
یا میگذارم کی راست میگم
That could be code for literally anything.
Hit him with the kitchen sink.
شیشه خانم میزنم خیلی
اوپا
That's a gauge, right?
یا خیلی
He is firing those
Hard
big
to
rights.
bust.
Still has yet to throw the uppercut. Nice left hook lands though. Nice kick to the body. Woodruff continues to be the one walking forward. Now he goes for the takedown once again.
About the halfway point, 2 minutes, 38 seconds remaining here in the third and final round.
Cut there maybe?
Yeah, we see some blood on the back.
From the nose there.
Oh yeah, he was wiping on.
Yeah, it's funny. I saw him like, oh, I was like, why is he wiping his face on his back? I'm like, oh, well, there's blood there.
اوپا
Knee inside there and pulls away.
بینش خون رفت
Nice jab from Naimov. Again, it's just in tight, trading shots, man. Going toe to toe.
Switching stances for Naimov too. But man, Mudev just walking through everything. Just refusing to give an inch.
یک با غلطون اچه اینجا او داغ غلطون شه یک
Levels.
Now Naimov
غلطون شه
Naimov trying to turn things around a little bit. He had the hands clasped, just couldn't quite get the takedown. Oh, a nice knee.
یا
That could have been a game changer. You can see Muhammad is addressing
Yeah,
that
but
now with
سخت
the
باید
right hand
رسید
and
چی
not
دست
taking another one of those.
نورمال
That was dangerous.
دست شکر
یا تیدان یک ندارم کو بوی ران یا
maybe the strongest position we've seen now and off in.
It really is. See Muhammad trying to spin inside, turn in. Is able to do so, gets his back to the cage.
It's about a minute remaining in this fight.
It's just a grueling battle in tight, big knees there for Muhammad and able to create some
اینجا
space back
سکون
away.
محمد
Just warriors, man. These guys are warriors.
وای молодец شیرینار давай
I like it.
о ништяк این سیون راوند чисто خوب شده чисто
About 30 seconds remaining to work.
یه تکدان کن شما محمد
تیدان سالتی
This corner to go yell. Commission. Muhammad, the commission had to wrangle him.
Zan
Really yelling at him as well. Oh, there it lands. Oh,
Yeah,
nice right
dude.
hand sword. Smile. Straight at the end.
Both of them saying, let's go. Final seconds.
I think he hurt Naimov a little bit with that last flurry because he wanted to go. They started backing away a little bit.
Yeah.
Fun fight though. I mean, like you said, just trading in a phone.
Ne, Muhammed buraydı.
Grueling grappling
Muhammed
exchanges.
zar.
I mean, I think
Udarız bir soru güzel Muhammed'a.
Naimov winning that third round. He had some great opportunities in there, some great moments. Although
Duyum seyim ay khidmona Muhammed.
If not all three, the third round was very close.
Fun fight.
Yeah.
Great main event. What a way to kind of wrap up a great night of fights that we've seen so far.
Yeah, I tell you what, man. I mean, when you think about a main event that's going to go the distance, just to put it into perspective of how wild that was, our broadcast was covered in blood.
Got a little blood down here.
Yeah.
Молодец.
Third round of the fight right in front of us because we get sweat on.
Duyse точно ya Minayda duyse.
Just goes up.
Lôi vai
It's not right off.
Buram nó là đóng chậm chạp.
And also, I would love to hire Naimov's corner to just motivate me to do anything with my
Молодец,
life.
Адам Брички.
Anything that they say, I will do.
I don't know if I've seen an opponent, like just look at his opponent in the third
Yeah.
round and go, ah, before. I just don't know if I've seen that. That was amazing.
Bali an hamca khushu mezat ya
There
nakavcım.
was that big knee right there. That was the moment that almost changed everything. And here it was. Let's go. That respect between them at the end. Great fight.
Just a battle, man. That was a lot of fun.
O inki andamca şogirdaş kalatxda.
Some respect between the teams being shown here.
And I'll tell you what, everyone that's been watching on Fight Pass tonight, what a great card. Again, if you missed any of it, go back to the beginning. As we round things out and give it another watch.
A little bit of everything tonight.
A little bit of everything. Something for everyone.
And something new, too, always.
Yeah. Unless you like boring fights, in which case there was nothing for you.
Anam doktora koşun olmuş nigona kunto. O megirişam ama.
Take a little time to...
I'm curious about why it's
Are we...
maybe we're just way off. I don't know.
Đangอยู่ในไม่ใช่
Strange things have
đang
happened,
อยู่ใน
but
ไม่ใช่
looks like Justin Bernard has wrangled him up and is making his way to the cage.
Hayır.
Yes,
Akşam
Justin
pro
Bernard is in the
direktör.
gate. It's time to find out who the winner is. Here's the official announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for decision. Judge Bird scores about 29-28, Naimov.
Oh.
Judge Flores scores about 29-28, Mudayev. And Judge Week scores about 29-28 for the winner by split decision, Muhammad.
Молодец. Yakın aşağıdan kalkan devam edecek ki dayı.
Close fight in Naimov.
Ay молодец. Ay молодец.
Zaman tutmaz Mehmet yancı.
Молодец. Ama duruyor Muhammed'a tabrik ne?
Obviously,
Muhammed'a tabrik ne? Ama kasa.
taking a moment
Ay
to
молодец
talk to his
Muhammed
opponent.
молодец.
Ay sakın çıkarar.
Muhammad Naimov, tough enough veteran. Great to have you back in the
Thank you.
cage.
Maşallah.
Ama da
We
şerefsiz.
know your journey.
Вот доходит UFC
You're
следующий.
here trying to work your way back up, and it was a back and forth war. How great is
Ay
it?
молодец.
Hey guys, this guy already announced my name. Like 5 years ago, I was main event for Tough Enough. And today, same thing happened. Alhamdulillah for support.
Ay maşallah.
I trained so hard for this. I know my opponent is so tough guy. Sidi, thank you so much for it. Спасибо, брат. Jazakallah khair.
Ay
But you know
maşallah.
what? This is my dream. This is everything I do. Brian Butler, I keep my book. I pick this fight. I pick this guy. King of the world, brother. In Tajikistan, when you say something, you have to follow that. I follow. You know that's your time right now. Let's go, Brian Butler. You promised that, bro. Please.
Da давай peşa
You
boya.
want to thank anybody out here tonight?
I know all Vegas. I belong to Vegas, brother. I was here for a long time, and people know me as well. I love you so much, guys. Tajikistan, ma ba khatom khina mera, ma guftum atakor bekram. Hina ma
молодец.